The Rose and the Cactus, a tale of kindness and inner beauty. In a vast, sun-baked desert, there lived a beautiful rose and a humble cactus, side by side. The rose had delicate, velvety petals of the deepest red, while the cactus was green and covered in prickly spines. A harsh drought, leading to a transformative friendship that teaches a great lesson: true beauty comes from within. Every morning, the rose would stretch its petals to catch the first rays of the sun, showing off its beauty to all who passed by. During a harsh drought, the rose notices a humble cactus nearby, struggling to survive in the extreme heat. The rose begins to appreciate the cactus's strength, leading to a transformative friendship that teaches that true beauty comes from within. The cactus, on the other hand, stood quietly, conserving its energy and water in the harsh desert climate. With each passing day, it was becoming extremely difficult for the poor cactus to survive in the drought. "Look at me," the rose would boast. "I'm the most beautiful flower in all the desert." The cactus would simply nod, never saying a word in response to the rose bragging. Day after day, the rose found new ways to insult the cactus. "You're so ugly and prickly," it would say. "No one will ever admire you like they admire me." The other desert plants, the hardy shrubs and small wildflowers, tried to defend the cactus. "Beauty isn't everything," they would say. "The cactus is strong and resilient." But the rose was too vain to listen, too obsessed with its own appearance to care about others' feelings. One summer, the desert became hotter than ever before. The sun blazed relentlessly in the cloudless sky. Days passed without a drop of rain, and soon, the desert plants began to struggle. The rose, with its delicate petals, was the first to feel the effects of the drought. Its once vibrant red petals began to droop and fade, and its stem started to wilt. The cactus, however, remained strong and green, its thick skin and internal water storage helping it survive. As the days wore on, small desert animals began to gather around the cactus. Sparrows and other birds would peck at the cactus, drinking the water stored within its flesh. The cactus, kind and generous, allowed the animals to drink, knowing how important it was to share in times of need. The rose watched all this with growing desperation, its own thirst becoming unbearable. Finally, swallowing its pride, the rose turned to the cactus. "Please," it whispered, "could you spare some water for me?" The cactus, without hesitation, replied, "Of course. Come closer, and I'll share my water with you." Carefully, so as not to prick itself on the cactus's spines, the rose leaned in. The cactus opened a small hole in its side, allowing life-giving water to trickle out. The rose drank gratefully, feeling strength return to its wilted stem. As it drank, the rose felt a deep shame for how it had treated the cactus all this time. "I'm so sorry," the rose said. "I judged you by your appearance, but you have the kindest heart in all the desert." The cactus smiled. "It's all right," it said. "True beauty comes from within, and kindness is the most beautiful trait of all." From that day on, the rose and the cactus became the best of friends. The rose never again boasted about its appearance, having learned the value of inner beauty. And whenever travelers passed by, they would remark not just on the rose's lovely petals, but on the wonderful friendship between the rose and the cactus. As seasons passed, the rose and cactus continued to support each other through hot summers and cold nights, their friendship getting deeper with every season. Their story spread throughout the desert, teaching all the plants and animals about the importance of kindness and not judging by appearances. The once proud rose became known for its humility and friendship, qualities that made it truly beautiful inside and out. And the cactus, once overlooked, was admired by all for its strength, generosity, and unwavering kindness. Together, they prove that the most unlikely friendships can often be the strongest and most meaningful. Please subscribe to our channel so as not to miss any of our wonderful stories.